So PLM is product lifecycle management, which is actually managing the product from the early requirements all the way through to manufacturing, even through to recycling. From cradle to grave, some people call it. Beyond PLM, PLM's been around now, or the terminology, for a few years. Beyond PLM is what they're now calling the digital thread or digital twin. And that's linking the physical product as a digital twin, but also having a digital thread through your business without files being manually pushed about. The digital thread is the traceability of the digital twin through your ecosystem. It's used by many businesses, whether you're a startup, a scale-up or an OEM, and it's used again to collaborate through the ecosystem digitally. So think of it as your boarding of an aeroplane. No longer do you have a boarding pass, which is a piece of paper. It's all digital and it's all real-time updates, and that's what the digital ecosystem is. So it's important for businesses to have a digital thread for traceability. So as you've got information flowing through the business, it's all fully traceable. So a digital twin is a virtual of your physical product or your factory that includes not just the 3D models but also a simulation of that product. No, digital twin is definitely not a buzzword. A lot of businesses are taking it seriously, and there's many examples of where it's been used in the past. For example, getting the space shuttle out of a building. If that goes wrong, then it can be very expensive. Through to making nuts and bolts. If you get your coating wrong, if you've made thousands of them, things can go wrong. So doing things digitally and having that thread for traceability gives all businesses advantages. Tangible benefits of a digital twin is getting it right first time by simulating it up front in a virtual environment. The benefits of a fully integrated business platform is that everything's in the single system. So there's no translations, no manual pushing data through. When it's in a single system, it's easier to implement, it's easier to upgrade, and easier to support. You've got a single data model of your digital thread. The best place to start on the digital twin is Contact Solid Solutions. You're probably already reading this because you're doing 3D model management. Going beyond 3D, that will give you some of the digital twin.